Hi guys! This is Fairy Tita and for today's vlog, na-unbox ko na ang aking bagong golf bag from 3 Strokes PH. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga features nitong bag na to. First of all, favorite color combination ko, yung ginawa ni Mr. Mark Ronquillo ng 3 Strokes. Black siya and of course, personalized siya na may embroidery na Fairy Tita and my favorite pink color. And then yung straps niya, meron yung Philippine flag and yung 3 strokes. And then sa gilid niya guys, andun din yung mark ng 3 strokes saka yung logo nila. So I will show you why I like this bag. First of all, it's very lightweight, easy when you're traveling. Unlike my first bag kasi, it's a cart bag. So, medyo mabigat talaga siya. So, ito kasi parang carry bag siya. So, meron siya, kaya siya may mga straps, guys. So, first of all, yung style, super stylish siya, guys. Na parang, actually, mapagkakamalan mo itong very similar to yung mga super, international brands na gumagawa ng golf bag. Ganon kaganda yung itsura niya. And much affordable. So, and also what I like about this bag, it has so many compartments. So, dito, yung compartment, may isang compartment dito yung sa Fairy Tita. When you, dito ko nilagay yung mga golf, balls, and ang aking rangefinder. And then guys, ang sobrang cool dito is, una, may pocket dito where you can put your, your rain gear or your hats or your bucket hats. And then guys, ang super, yung flap niya, you can still put stuff here. Tapos it's magnetic. So parang sobra ko na-amaze. Magaling nga nakaisip nito. And then ito yung kanilang 3 strokes na brand. So similarly guys, dito sa kabilang side, ganun din siya. So actually ito guys, may pocket pa siya where I put my pang-tea. So, dito yung balls ko, tapos dito yung tea ko. So, it's easier for the caddies. Tapos, again, dito, meron na naman siya ditong compartment where I put my rain cover. And then, meron pa isa ditong compartment, guys, where you can put also parang your gloves. Ito actually pwede rin dito yung towel niya, guys. Tapos yung cover niya. Tapos, it's a stand bag. So, ito, meron siya dito na pwede mong dito malalagay yung sa legs niya. Actually, ito guys, ngayon ko lang nakita, pwede dito yung umbrella. So, you don't need to put the umbrella inside. So, super, siya, very, siya guys, ang dami niyang malalagay. That's what I like about this bag. Besides being, siya, not heavy. Lalo na kasi when we travel, tapos mag-golf kami, super importante guys, na very lightweight then yung yung golf bag. So, bukod sa stylish siya, ang daming compartments, and of course, it's customized for Fairy Tita with my Philippine flag na feeling ko, national team na ako ng golf dito sa Pilipinas, and the 3 strokes na logo. So guys, if you want one, you can order from 3 strokes sa Instagram nila and Facebook, and you can have your golf bag customized like Fairy Tita. So, thank you very much, 3 strokes. Thank you very much, Mr. Mark Ronquillo, for this very, very, very cute and very personalized bag for Fairy Tita. I'll be using this agad-agad sa aking tournament. Thank you, and I'll see you guys at the fairway.